Happy New Year's, World Wide Web. What's going on? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing, the man with your backup plan when it comes to working from home and making money online. What's going on, World Wide Web? It's great to be back. Again, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. And guys, we're just going to cut right to the chase, right? And we're going to jump right into today's video where we're going to be talking about how you guys can actually start working from home, making money online with a system that can be implemented both online and offline. And listen to what I'm saying, guys. This particular system, this marketing system that I'm about to introduce you to will actually put you in position to earn a minimum of $250 commissions paid directly into your PayPal or your bank account. Now, I'm going to walk you guys through the actual process and show you exactly what it is that you will receive when you join. And for you guys who opted into either one of these pages, which I'm going to show you in a minute, I'm going to show you exactly what it is you get when you join and how to start implementing this particular business opportunity either online or offline, or actually using a combination of both of those marketing techniques, tactics, and strategies, all right? Using any one or both of them. Now, what happened, guys, when you actually came to a page that looks exactly like this one, or let me see, can I get to the other page? You came into a page that looks like this one, okay? Either one of the two, doesn't matter, guys. Don't get yourself in a twist, because the end result is going to be the same. Now, what I want you guys to understand is the actual system in and of itself, right, is known as the instant payment method. Okay, the instant payment method. When you opted into this page or you opted into that page, you ended up on this page or you ended up on this page, which actually walks you through everything that it is you need to know about this particular this incredible system and everything that you need to do to get started. Now, I've been doing a lot of videos and I've been covering basically in a nutshell what you need to be doing if you want to work from home online or offline. And I told you at the end of the day, it was about automated systems, okay? Automated marketing systems and basically sales funnels. That's what it all boils down to. Anyway, right below this YouTube video, guys, there's going to be an actual video in the description that will walk you guys over into the actual presentation. For you, those of you who don't know me, you'll get to learn a little bit more about me and a little bit about my history. Just click the link in the YouTube video. We'll talk about that, and then you guys will get to see and get a full understanding of exactly what the instant payment method is and exactly how it works. But what I want to cover in this video is once you've joined, I want to let you guys know right at the door exactly what it is you're going to have right at your fingertips, guys. Okay, it's going to be a dashboard. Now, once you've joined and you've gone through everything, and the instant payment method is going to actually show you how to get integrated into the actual system in 4 simple steps, okay? Now, you'll see there's step 1, there's step 2, there's step 3, and there's step 4. Remember, I said a minimum of $250 instant cash commissions paid directly into either your bank account or your PayPal account. So you guys should be super pumped up and super excited about that. Now, since I've been talking over the course of the last few videos specifically about postcard marketing and how to actually, you guys got this do-it-yourself postcard design where you guys can actually get in here if you don't want to get into the online marketing side of this, and you guys can actually just get into your members area. Once you've gone through the actual presentation and you understand exactly how the system works, you can go on and get set up with your postcards and literally, guys, literally start promoting this particular opportunity within the next 7 days. Now, once you're in your members area, you'll have a dashboard that looks exactly like this one, as you guys can see, right? Now, inside of your members area, right? And you're going to learn all about this as you watch the presentation, but there's going to be a get traffic link, okay? And you can use this get traffic link, by the way, for either your online marketing or your offline marketing. So let's click that tab and go to the get traffic tab where we're going to talk about the actual postcards, okay? Now, if you want to use the online version of this, guys, don't hesitate to ask me, but we got a Facebook group you guys can join. You guys can also reach out and text in or email me and ask me, and I will show you guys how to get set up with the online marketing version of this. But right now, since we're talking about postcards, let's come down here to the actual postcard section, because that's where you guys are, and that's the capture page I actually created, or one of several really, and that you guys actually entered into. And if you didn't, you ended up seeing this actual postcard, and you're going to see it again. Now, what I want you guys to pay special attention to is you can have these postcards, right, not only created for you on the fly. You talk about a great do-it-yourself postcard design. This thing is already ready for you, right? The only thing we're going to need, if you want to use or implement the offline marketing version of the actual instant payment method system, is an actual website, okay, a domain name. And we talked about that in my last video. I said I was going to talk more to you about domain names. I can tell you right now, you can get one for pennies on the dollar over at a place like GoDaddy for right around $10 a year. Anyway, once you have that domain name, before you order your postcards, you're going to want to have it. And this is where your postcard, or the domain name for your postcard, is going to be placed once you go to print these postcards. Now, there's the actual front side, or, you'll see where the stamp actually goes. We're talking about a simple postcard here. This is where your opportunity seeker, you guys remember me talking about opportunity seekers? These are people who are already diligently looking for ways to work from home, either online or offline, and make money. And so we're going to show you guys how you can get access to thousands upon thousands of these names, and when you do, they come to you on pill and stick mailing label, and you'll place them right there. So now you have your domain name, which is going to be redirected back to the actual VSL that you guys saw. Have any questions about that, let me know. I'll show you guys how to set it up in literally minutes. But once you've done that, guys, once you purchase that domain name, the next thing that you want to do is go ahead on and order your postcard, okay? So to do that, what you would do is you come back up here, and you see where it says visit website on the right-hand side. And remember, you're going to have instant access to all of this information once you join. Let's go visit the website. Let me show you guys what you're going to have instant access to, and how you can have at minimum of, I think it's 500, well, it might be 1,000 postcards. When I tell you these postcards are going to come to you in a few days, that's exactly what I mean, guys, okay? So look, here's what's happening with the actual postcard campaign that you can create right now using the instant payment method. Now, you're going to be able to do two things. You're going to either be able to get these postcards where they'll be printed for you and mailed. That means the company will actually supply that mailing list, right? That opportunity seeker buyer name. They'll actually supply them and put them on the postcards for you and mail them. That's one option. Here's the one that I like best. It's the print and ship postcard mailing option. Now, with this particular option, what you do is you come down here. Remember, it's the print and ship, right? Postcard mailing. You just want these postcards printed, and you want them mailed to you. If you want to go out and use your own list broker to get those names of those opportunity buyers, preferably, and seekers on pill and stick labels, then you're definitely able to do that as well. So that way, you just want to have the postcards printed with your domain name on them and shipped right to you. Now, I told you you can also just buy the names individually. You don't have to have them affixed to your postcard and mail. You can also buy these mailing list names of these opportunity buyers, right? These are hotline business opportunity names printed on pill and stick labels, and you guys can do that as well. We only want print and ship, right? So I'm going to hit print and ship, and hopefully it'll run me over to the actual order page where you guys will be able to go in here and do that right now. Here we are, guys. This is simply for print and ship. Remember, After you've gone through all the information and you understand exactly how this program works. P.S. And by the way, all the internet marketing training you're ever going to need is going to be found in your members area, which you'll learn more about after you click the link below in the YouTube video description area and you watch the entire presentation. But understand that we're not just talking about going out here willy-nilly trying to implement a work from home business or a work from home business opportunity. We're talking about giving you the actual training that you're going to need to develop skill sets that's going to enable you to do not only this, but anything else that you want to do, guys. Granted, you tap into the actual training. Everything that I do has extensive training, internet marketing, offline marketing, you talk about traffic and lead generation. It's all inside the system. And to have any success in anything that you do, you can have the best opportunity in the world unless you're feeding yourself the information you need that's pertinent to you getting exposure for your business. It doesn't matter because you're dead in the water anyway. So just rest assured that you got all of those things. Now let's look at the quantity of these postcards that you can get and how cheap they are, guys. Now we're talking about 500 of these postcards for $87. Okay, you'll see that's the quantity right there. Okay, 500, right, for $87. Now look at the 1,000, guys. Let's click this link and go down to 1,000. Now you're talking about $117 for 1,000 of these postcards. Once you've done that, you're going to put your domain name that you purchased. Remember, you're going to run over to GoDaddy. Got any questions, hit me up. I'll tell you guys how to do it. Very simple. And you're going to take that website domain name that you purchased and you're going to put it right in this field up here. The offer codes is already embedded in the actual form, and you'll go to buy now. Once you do that, guys, watch your mailbox because these postcards are going to come to you faster than you can say, is that Marlon O Bennett? Yes, it is Marlon O Bennett, and these postcards will come to you just that quick. When they do, guys, what do you want to do? You want to start mailing the postcards. Now, let me say this before I get off of this video. You know, at the end of the day, list building is where it's at. Whether you're building a list online or whether you're building a list offline. I do both. Don't be too anxious and start trying to bite off more than you can chew at any given time. Pick one strategy. Either you're going to use the online version of the actual system that comes with its own website, or you're going to use the offline version. You're going to start mailing postcards. This is what we want to do, guys. We want to keep this process for making money working from home online as simple as we possibly can. Let me say one other thing before I get off the video, and that is making money online working from home is truly a numbers game, right? If you can get enough exposure to your business, I don't care what it is you're marketing and advertising, you can make money working from home online. You can make money working from home offline. You can make money working from home mailing a simple postcard. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate the process, and you'll be fine. So once you do that, guys, your postcards are going out in the mail, right? You're mailing, I don't know, however many you want to start with. You can start with 500, it's a minimum. You can start with 1,000, but here's what you want to do once you start mailing the postcards. Mail them on a consistent basis. I don't care if it's 100 a week. Then if that's what you're going to commit to, mail 100 every single week. If it's 200 every week, mail 200 every week. Whatever you do, pick a lane, stay in it, and commit to the actual process and watch the system go to work for you. It's just that simple, guys, okay? So when we talk about working from home online, making money, whether it's mailing these postcards that we're talking about, or whether it's actually using the online marketing version of the instant payment method, I think you guys are going to be truly greatly surprised in terms of the simplicity of how easy it can actually be, okay? There's never been a time to be a person who's looking to speak their own success into existence, and there's never been an opportunity that's quite as simple and easy as the one that we're talking about. So remember, guys, in the description area, you'll find a link that will lead to the page where you guys are getting to learn a little bit more about me if you don't know me. Watch that video, and right under that video, let me jump over there real quick and show you guys. Right under that video, you will see You just hit instant access. We'll take you over to the actual page. You don't have to opt in. And for you guys who already have, you know what this is all about. Just simply go to get instant access, and we'll talk to you more about the actual system and all the actual training that you get for this opportunity. Now, I'm going to close out by saying this, and I'll be done. One of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online when you're working from home or offline is to have an entry-level product or service that's going to enable you to get leverage in short order, right? So the reason why we thought the $250 price point was a nice one, because it's not a lot of money, right? Not really. I mean, you know, $250 is not a lot. I hate to say it. I probably spend a third of my money every week on, or $250, I say, a third of $250 every week on coffee, which I need to stop doing because sometimes you guys can see I'm kind of in the zone. But that's besides the point. Go down and click the link below the YouTube video. You'll get instant access to the actual system. I look forward to working for with you high-speed guys. Of course, my wife is calling now, so it's a great time for me to exit the video. I appreciate you guys for being on the video. Happy New Year's. Let's get busy. Let's get hot. As always, it's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Hopefully, I'll be welcoming you as the newest member of the team, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Keep banging.